this the same thing as from tempura? Let's try that. Random the one that you just said, passion fruit. Shrimp tempura, honestly. Alright, so I'm headed to a Christmas party, and I'm taking y'all with me. See y'all in a bit.
Switch things. Personal problems, pillow talking, cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even deep as you used to be, this shit slick divided. Right, got
Alright, y'all, so we just arrived at the Christmas party. I have on a button down and some jeans. I wasn't gonna do, you know, the traditional heels and dress type thing. I just wasn't feeling that look. I just wanted to be a little bit sporty because I am, hold on, let me cut the light on real quick. I am going somewhere after this Christmas party, so I didn't want to wear heels at that place either. So what I have on works perfectly for me. Like something real cute and simple. But let me go inside this party. I'll see y'all in a bit. The party started at 6 and it is, it's 7, so alright y'all, I gotta go. Alright y'all.
Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind, and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions.
Oh, we'll do it over. That's not a picture. Alright, y'all, so we've been here for about an hour already, and I'm just catching up on my vlogging. We're having a fall. It's a nice customer appreciation Christmas party. Good. My friend looking at me weird. Hold on, y'all.
rescue me. Whoa. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the mark, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's all. I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express my love for you. I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the marks. Tell me what to do. I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I'm the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I could do. I give you the world, but there's other planets too. And I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Whoa. Take me out the club. Take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a
Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes you. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick. Right around the slap me up the dick. I'm throwing a fit. Right around the world, let you right around the talk to me. Oh, I got that.
Alright, y'all, so we at La Mexicano. Show y'all. You say what? So we just get into La Mexicano. It's a taco spot here in Fort Lauderdale. Y'all gotta come if you ever make it down this way. I don't know if this is the one. Is this it? If that's not it, bro, let's go. Oh my God, Chloe.
I be in a loop, she be in a loop. Brody want a friend, going alley loop. Turn something to nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the ooze? Still running around with more, get ready, pack to go, yeah. People probably think I show up, I ain't even get it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Should've stayed really honest, turning in and giving time. Personal partners, pillow talking, cause I got rich without.
My bad bitch. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She thinking she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be
high
that
volume,
man, but
high
now
volume,
a bitch
high
okay.
volume.
I'm pretty than a motherfucker.
Online ticket check, you know, buy new tickets. They don't have tab. Oh, of course they got tab. That was a stupid question. I said they don't have tab. What happened? All right. So oh, you can see the glare in my glasses?
Yeah.
Tickets. Let me take my glasses off. So we went ahead and bought our bands, and we literally got 1 hour, but who gives a hell? I don't know how to put that on. Oh, it's a sticky.
Yeah,
That's tight.
Look how tight she put it.
I don't want it to fall off your arm. Hold on. Hold on, I got it.
How you know if it's recording good?
You can see
Like
it.
if it's not slow.
Oh, I reset the thing.
Do it today? Thank you. Go videotape me, please.
No, I didn't get you.
Huh?
No, he said don't videotape my side and get him in there.
Make sure you ain't walking no potholes. All right, y'all. I really came here for the turkey leg and what's the other one? Elephant ear. I ain't really come for no rides. Oh, they had turkeys.
So, you didn't want to come early enough for it.
Don't do that. But it's Sunday at 4, so it ain't. Oh, it's over at 9, so we would have made it today. I want some food. I should brought my shades. You real close to me.
You real close to the beach. You gonna be far away in the camera. Here, so you could
It's all the
video
rides.
what you want.
It's all the rides free. Like how that work?
I don't know.
So what? We just pay for admission? Huh? Help me find the elephant at what?
The ticket.
Oh.
It still was 12?
Yeah.
Oh, they just played.
It's free? Free? Ah, she's so cute. Alright, so I'm gonna try to see if we can find us some food, and then I'm gonna come back and record, because I ain't gonna hold y'all. This ground got a lot of potholes and I don't want to fall. I do not want to fall. So I'll be right back. I'm mad about that. Was this a waste of money? I might as well just give me a slice of pizza. No, we haven't gotten the ride yet.
Did you buy an armband or you just
I mean,
rides?
we're too old for it.
Just admission.
We'll try to ride. You have a cup of ice? That was the circus owner. This pizza is so good. Thank you. Had to give me a cup of ice. What was that?
Hi, guys.
Oh my gosh, she
Oh,
is in
yeah.
the camera. Finally. Oh shit. See? I almost bust my ass.
If there's another universe, please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to losing love, repeat
this is the look for tonight. So I just gotta put some lipstick on. I probably just do like
I gave it all